Hello guitarists, today we'll go over the 2-octave C major scale, which is a really great way to get both hands synchronized and moving quickly together. Here we go. So we're going to start off in second position. That means my index finger is covering over the second fret. We'll put our second finger on the third fret on C. We'll put our pinky on D, the fifth fret. And then now we'll go to index finger on E, F on the third fret. We'll play G in a closed position on the fifth fret. Switch to the third string. A. Now I'll play our third finger on the fourth fret. B. And right where our pinky wants to go is where we're going to shift to the fifth fret. It's worth practicing your shifts for a while. Looking at the fifth fret before you move. I'm going to go from the next octave now. So we're on the fifth fret on the third string. We're going to play C, D with our third finger, E with our first finger on the second string, half step F, whole step G. Now we'll switch to the first string, A, B, and then C. Now notice I didn't pick up any fingers as I did that because I want to leave them down. Because then it takes more work to pick them back up and put them back down again than it does to just leave them and then pick them up on the way down. From the way down, we'll go from the top C, B on the 7th fret, A on the 5th fret. Now I'm going to switch to second string. I have 4, 2, and 1, G, F, E, D on the 7th fret, C. Here's that same shift again. B on the 4th fret, A on the 2nd fret, G, F, E, D, C. What we'll want to do next is start practicing what we call trem scales or tremolando scales, where we do 2 of each. So we get I, M. Make sure you're starting every new note on your I finger. Pay attention to how close my fingers are above the frets. Now, playing at trem eighth notes is actually easier, I think, than doing it straight quarter notes, because it takes more concentration on not doubling up a finger or tripling up a finger like that. So now we'll do quarter notes, but let's make sure that we do, make sure we say each finger as we play it in the right hand. So assuming that this all feels good in both hands, now go to I, M, 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 So whatever finger we started on, which was I, will be the one that we end on. Once that feels good, I would maybe do the progression where I play, and maybe this would be best if I just go from here and do a couple in a row. So here's trem eighth notes again. Normal eighth notes. Now we'll do trem triplets. So it's going to be I, M, I, and then the new note, M, I, M. M, I, M, I, M, I. And then we can do normal triplets. And just so the scale works out in the beat, we'll go to the 2nd fret and then back to the 3rd. Once that feels good, I'll do trem 16th notes. Normal 16th notes. Okay, just so we have this, I'm going to set the metronome to 60 right now and do the whole set. So once you've gotten used to the tutorial, just jump down to this timestamp. Here we go. Starting with chord notes. Ready, go. Happy practicing.